Hi friends, this is Vijay. Today I'll compare Sonet GTK Plus Turbo IMT with Venue SX Plus Sport DCT. And the reason why I'm comparing these both models are they both are petrol top ends and the both cost is very close on, I mean to say, ex-showroom price. But there's one small catch. I'm not comparing DCT turbo petrol variant in Sonet because DCT की cost होता है 12.5 12.6. So I'm only comparing IMT Sonet GTK Plus Turbo with Venue SX Plus Sport DCT. So दोनों का कॉस्ट है सोनेट का कॉस्ट है क्लोज टू 12 lakhs, वेन्यू का कॉस्ट है क्लोज टू 11.6. सो देयर इज अ डिफरेंस ऑफ 40,000 और ये 40,000 डिफरेंस को व्हाट एक्स्ट्रा यू विल गेट इन सोनेट, इज इट वर्थ, वी विल डिस्कस दैट. सो द फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज बूट स्पेस. सो सोनेट में आपको 392 लीटर्स मिलता है एंड वेन्यू में यू विल गेट 350 लीटर्स. सो दिस 42 लीटर्स एक्स्ट्रा व्हाट यू गेट in Sonet, there's a small catch in it. They have reduced back seat space and they have increased boot space. So छोटा सा gamble Sonet ने किया Sonet के साथ. So don't know how it works. मगर 42 लीटर्स का ज़्यादा आपको बूट स्पेस का फ़र्क ज़्यादा नहीं दिखेगा. समय 19-20 का आपको दिखेगा क्योंकि ये 42 लीटर्स में यू कांट कीप एडिशनल सूटकेस और यू कांट कीप एडिशनल बैग. हाँ, डेफिनेटली यू कैन कीप समथिंग which will fit into that 42 liters, but उतना ज़्यादा फ़र्क नहीं रहेगा according to me. Ground clearance Sonet comes with 205, Venue comes with 190. Okay, 15 mm, that is a good amount of ground clearance, that is a good difference. This 15 mm will make feel Sonet to stand tall when comparing both the vehicles side by side. So बाकी features compare करने के लिए I have some pictures, let's get into that. So this is the Venue इंटीरियर एंड यू कैन सी जिसको सिंपल इंटीरियर पसंद आता है उन लोगों को डेफिनेटली वेन्यू इंटीरियर पसंद आता है. एंड इट्स कम्प्लीटली कम्स विद लेदर सीट्स, लेदर स्टीयरिंग व्हील एंड यू कैन सी दी आई लाइक दोस automatic climate control and the knobs, round knobs, they look good. And under the touchscreen also the buttons looks very simple, and the plastic which is used is also top notch. And you can see it comes with an additional feature which Sonet doesn't offer, that is glove box. So this is about Venue interior. And ये Kia interior में Venue में भी आपको wireless charger मिलता है, I forgot to tell you that. And Kia में of course you'll get wireless charger, you'll get leather seats and you get leather wrapping for steering and steering wheel को leather wrap आता है and gear knob को leather wrap आता है. And you'll get, what else you get additional thing is you get remote engine start on your key. Using your key you can start your engine, and using your key in Sonet you can also start your AC. So that's the additional feature you'll get in Sonet. And let's move on to second image. So Sonet comes up with two types of interiors. One is all black and one is dual tone. This is the dual tone. इसमें आपको you will get creamish color with black. So मुझे पर्सनली मुझे ये उतना खास नहीं लगा कि it's very tough to maintain. So the other thing is this one, complete all black. And आपको apart from whatever we discussed about panel, you also get ventilated seats. And in Sonet that is an additional feature, you will get a ventilated seats. And trust me, this is the feature which is offered in only premium cars, and subcompact CV में only Sonet is offering this feature, ventilated seats. I will explain you that feature, how it works clearly in next slides. And ये Venue का inside door view, how it looks. So you can see the door knob chrome finish के साथ finish होता है, and you can see how the handle looks. The handle comes up with leather finishing. So if you compare this with Bose, here Sonet में you will get that leather portion right from the start to end of the handle. And apart from that you can see the Bose का batching देख सकते हैं speaker के ऊपर. So that looks very classy. And door opening now you can see it's painted with chrome silverish color, and that is used to open the door, that option. And this is the Kia Sonet air purifier, and Kia claims that it has a 2-layer protection, and it's the first time it's providing virus protection also. And it comes with 3 fragrance: ocean, lavender and forest. So दिखने में it will look very luxurious, दिखने में it will look like a rich feature. But when you compare it with Venue का, even in the image also you can see Venue का purifier, you can't even compare this with Sonet. Of course, it's an air purifier. It's equipped with HEPA filter, which cleans the air in the car and maintain healthy cabin atmosphere. But Kia says that it's providing with 2-layer air protection, and first in class it's providing with virus protection. And सुनने में तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, virus protection, 2-layer air protection, but we don't know how exactly it will works. They're claiming that in books, but definitely air purifier in Venue can't be compared with Sonet. No way we can compare it. And nowhere we can see the exterior front part of Venue. So Venue exterior, personally it looks excellent, and उसका muscular look and उसका chrome, बड़ा chrome with black and white finishing, it looks very muscular. But again, when you compare it with Kia, थोड़ी सी मार्क आ जाती है Venue. So the reason, I mean, it's unfair to compare Kia with GT line variant with regular, because GT line variant comes with black and red finishing के साथ आता. So it's really unfair to compare, but I'm comparing it, don't mind. So there are a few differences in it. That is LED headlamps. You will get LED headlamps in Kia Sonet, but you won't get that in Venue. Okay, let's move on to next picture. So इसका back profile देखे तो Venue का back profile, it looks very simple. I don't know, maybe because of its ground clearance 190 mm, it doesn't look like standing tall. And इसका light speed, it looks very simple. For me it looks very simple. So when we compare Sonet का back profile, it looks like it standing tall, maybe because of 15 millimeters ground clearance more than Venue. Maybe that's a factor making it feel standing tall. And beach wala jo reflector hai, it's just a reflector, it's not a light. Extended reflector, red color hai, that is a reflector. Whenever any car or whenever any vehicle throws light on this reflector, it looks good. So overall Sonet ka back profile has a upper edge compared to Venue. So now regarding dry modes, you won't get dry modes, especially traction modes. You won't get these traction modes in Venue, and whereas in Sonet you'll get 3 traction modes: snow, sand, mud. So yeah, Venue ka Sonet ka tachometer hai, it's 4.2 inch and it's almost digital, whereas Venue का tachometer है, it's almost manual. Right side you'll get digital, fuel का digital है, and you'll get engine temperature का, and you'll get MTT fuel and the number of kilometers driven, वो सब आपको digital में मिलते हैं. Majority of options are in manual. And here comes the major advantage which Sonet has. Sonet has 10-inch screen, and it comes with inbuilt navigation system. It comes with Bose sound system with 4 speakers, 2 tweeters and 1 subwoofer. Yes, subwoofer is something which you won't get in Venue. And on top of it, आपको Sonet में you'll get sound mode lightning, and in Venue में what you will get is you will get 8-inch का touch screen आता है, and with 4 speakers, 3 tweeters, but you won't get subwoofer. And also इसका sound system है Arcamis. So Arcamis, they only build sound system for Venue, and they are also a connector technology. They also work on connector technology for Venue for complete Hyundai. So Arcamis का sound definitely we can't compare with Bose. Bose का sound system definitely has edge over Venue का sound system. and on top of it, Bose, it's offering Sonet we are getting subwoofer, so no need to spend any money after aftermarket. No need to spend any money to increase the sound experience. And these are the variants which you get in Sonet. Sonet mein you have one small catch, and I also say big disadvantage, that is you won't get manual transmission in 1 liter, either 1 liter petrol variant mein, turbo petrol variant mein you won't get manual transmission. You only get IMT and you get DCT. So वो एक disadvantage है. If anyone would like to drive a complete manual transmission with 1 liter turbo petrol, you won't get that in Sonet. But whereas Venue mein you will get that. This is that option. You can see that at bottom SX0, and it's costing around 10,85,000 for it is ex-showroom price. And you can see SX Plus comes with 1 liter turbo DCT. If you want manual transmission, you can also get manual transmission in 1 liter turbo engine, and that would be costing you around 10,85,000 in Venue. But at least Venue is offering manual transmission for 1 liter turbo petrol, but Sonet में you will not get manual transmission for 1 liter turbo petrol engine. You only get IMT and TCT. IMT के बारे में मैं एक complete नया video बनाऊंगा, what is IMT and what are its benefits. But this video we only concentrating upon features and what is the extra which we get in Sonet. So we discussed overall all the features. Now let's go back to first slide and then we can get into conclusion which one to choose, either Kia Sonet or Venue. So let's go back to this option, first slide. So in terms of cost, Kia Sonet ka petrol IMT turbo costing you around 11.99. You can also go for DCT, but it will be costing you around 60,000 more, 12.6, somewhere around 12.5, 12.6. These all are ex-showroom price. And Venue SX Plus Sport DCT will be costing you around 11.58. So here, lagbhag we are paying around 40,000 more for Kia Sonet, and what we are getting in 40,000 more, or what makes us to choose Kia Sonet over Venue, is 42 liter boot space. But practically I would say no, वो एक ही ऑप्शन नहीं है चूज करने के लिए. ग्राउंड क्लियरेंस, यस डेफिनेटली 15 मिलीमीटर का ग्राउंड क्लियरेंस ज़्यादा होता है, स्पेशली कॉम्पैक्ट एसयूवी को ग्राउंड क्लियरेंस 200 एबो है तो इट लुक्स गुड, बिकॉज बहुत सारे लोग कॉम्पैक्ट एसयूवी को दे टेक इट फॉर हाईवेज एंड most of them will also use it for off-roading. So okay, air purifier, मुझे Venue का air purifier, I will not even compare with Sonet का air purifier. Venue का air purifier, I felt it's not at all comparable with Sonet. So Sonet का air purifier looks very premium, looks very rich. And sound system, again I won't say that Archimist sound system is not good, but I would say it can't stand with Bose in comparison. Or traction modes, again for that I can keep my money on. And front parking sensors, you won't get that in Venue, you get that in Sonet. And ventilated seats, ये एक ही ऑप्शन के लिए we can simply spend 30-40,000 extra on any car, because it's a very premium feature. You will get that in premium cars like BMW and Audi. So this was initially introduced with Hyundai Verna, but now Kia is coming with Sonet. In compact SUV you only get in Sonet, so this is very premium feature. And airbags, safety ke बारे में, you will get 6 airbags in Sonet, but you will only get 2 airbags in Venue. So बाकी good build quality. There is some some critics says that both the variants are built on same platform. They're saying it's built on Santro Plus platform, and they modified that platform. I'm not getting into it because there is no proper evidence on which platform both the variants have been built. So if I have to conclude, if I have to choose winner on paper, definitely I'll choose Sonet, because I probably might be paying 40,000 more extra, but I'm getting a lot of features and worthful features like air purifier, ventilated seats, 6 airbags, and I'm getting front parking sensors, I'm getting traction mode. But IMT, before finishing this video I need to tell you, IMT is not completely automatic transmission. It's called intelligent manual transmission. you will still need to shift gears, which means आपको gear shift करना पड़ता. So मुझे personally ये concept अच्छा लगा क्योंकि I personally like to drive manual transmission. So I will not feel that I will not lose that feeling of driving manual transmission. Still, it looks like I have to change the gear, I have to shift gear for lower speeds, higher speeds. So gear का control रहता है, so you'll have that feeling of manual transmission, but you won't have clutch. So still, I would say 50-50. It is like 50% automatic, 50% manual car. So इसका concept मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा AMT का. So I'll put my money on Sonet rather than Venue according to futures. So I'm only talking with regards to futures. So this is my conclusion, guys. If you like this video, please like it. If you find this informative, please share with your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.